Hey guys, welcome to another video of Study Scoopers. So I'm again back with a new video, and before we start, please make sure that you press this red button subscribe so that you subscribe to my channel. And when it turns to gray, it means you have subscribed, and thank you for your subscribe. And now please hit the bell icon so that you're always notified with my new videos. So today we'll be learning about the algebraic expression and the part 2 of algebraic expression, which will tell you the concept of the subtraction of algebraic expressions. So now let's begin. So first, going to the subtraction of algebraic expressions, we have to know the basic concept of normal subtraction. So let's know it. Now, if you have a sum which is to subtract 10 from 24, how will you subtract it? You will write plus 24 minus 10. This is in a horizontal method, and when you go to vertical method, only you'll understand it more clearly to subtract. So then let's go to the vertical method or the column method. So now in vertical method or in column method, you write it like this. And now you call this 24 as the minuend, the 10 as the subtrahend, and you are seeing a minus sign coming in between. What is it? How is it coming? So now what are we doing? We have to subtract 10 from 24, in which we'll write it as plus 24 minus 10. So now we have our plus 10, and now as we have to subtract, we have to actually put the minus symbol. So now we have to subtract 10 from 24, so that we have to change the sign of 10 from the positive 10 to the negative 10. Then only you can subtract it. So now this plus 10 is being changed to minus 10, and we'll subtract it by the minus 10. So what will you get the answer as? You'll get it as 14, and this 14 is known as the difference. So I hope you understand why that minus 10 came in between. Now when you have to subtract minus 10 from 24, how will you write it in horizontal method? You will write it plus 24 minus, and in bracket you'll write minus 10, because you have to subtract the minus 10 from 24, and in which it will change to 24 plus 10, because you have the minus symbol outside and a minus symbol inside. So it changes to 24 plus 10, and again as I said, so this 24 will be your minuend, your minus 10 will be your subtrahend, and there is a sign coming plus because it is 24 minus, and in bracket they write minus 10, so minus and minus will be plus. So that is why you're writing it as 24 plus 10. So now we have to change the sign of minus 10 from 24, so that we have to change the sign of minus 10 from the negative number to the positive, and then we'll subtract it. So as we have changed it, the minus 10 to plus 10, when we subtract it, what will you get the answer? You have to add the both. So now you're getting 34, and this 34 in this is your difference. So hope you all understood the basic concept between the subtraction. And in the note, in subtraction, we change the sign of subtrahend, which is in this both. The first one, it was from plus 10 to minus 10. We change the symbol of from plus to minus, and in the second sum, we change the symbol from minus to plus, which is from minus 10 to plus 10. Now we'll go to the subtraction of algebraic expressions. So, in subtraction of algebraic expressions, arrange the term in the given expression in the same order. Then write the given expression in row in such a way that the like terms occur one below the other. Now change the sign of the expression in the subtrahend row. Now normally solve them. So by this step you could understand that in this subtraction of algebraic expression also, we have to change the sign of this, all the signs of the subtrahend, either minus or plus. If it is minus, you have to change it to plus, and if it is plus, you have to change it to minus. For understanding it more clearly, let's go with some example sums. So if you have a sum to subtract 2 from 15x, how are you going to write it? Will you write it as 15x plus 2? And as we have to change the sign of subtrahend, you will change the sign of plus 2 to minus 2, and you get 13x. Is this the correct form to write the subtraction of algebraic expression? No, this is not the correct form to write the subtraction of algebraic expression. So how are you going to write it? Now you have to arrange the like terms in a place and the unlike terms in a place. We have learned what are like terms and what are unlike terms in our previous part of algebraic expression. So if you have not seen the previous part of algebraic expression, please do see that and come here. So now you have to subtract 2 from 15x. So first you have to arrange them in like terms, and also there are no like terms matching with 15x, and there are no like terms matching with the constant number, which is 2. So we wrote 15x, as 15x should come in the first, so then we wrote it, and as there is no constant term to pair with 2, so then we wrote 0. And at the second row, which is the subtrahend row, we wrote 0 plus 2, because there is no no like terms matching with 15x, so then we wrote it as 0 plus 2. Now what should you do? Are you going to normally subtract them? No, we have to change the sign of the subtrahend as given in the steps of subtracting the algebraic expression. So now this plus 0 will change to minus 0, and this plus 2 will change to minus 2. And now you'll be subtracting them, which will give you the answer as 15x minus 2. So this is your answer. The first one, which is given to you, is not the correct form of writing the subtraction of algebraic expression, whereas the second one is indeed the correct one. So we have to follow the second one only. Now they ask you to subtract 15 from 2. So you from 2, right? So now 2 will come in the minuend row and 15 will come in the subtrahend row. 15x will come in the subtrahend row. So now we'll change the sign of 0 to from plus 0 to minus 0, and from plus 15x to minus 15x. Now when we subtract it, we get the answer as 2 minus 15x. So hope you are trying to understand the subtraction of algebraic expressions. Now they ask you to subtract 10x square from 15x square. So how will you subtract this? These are like terms. That is x square in 10x square also, and there is x square in 15x square also. So how will you subtract it? You will normally write them in one row, but you have to change the sign of the subtrahend, which is from plus 10x square to minus 10x square. And now you will subtract it, and you get the final answer as 5x square. So 5x square is your final answer. Why did you get 5x square? Because you have plus 15x square, and that plus 10x square has been changed to minus 10x square. So plus 15x square minus 10x square. So we performed subtraction and we got 5x square. Now let's go to some more sums of subtraction of algebraic expression. Subtract 7a plus 9b minus c from 10a minus 2b plus 6c. So how are you going to do it? First we'll be arranging the terms to this expression to like terms. We'll write the like terms one below each other. And now what are we going to do? We are going to change the sign of the subtrahend row, which is minus 7a, minus 9b and plus c. So after subtracting it, what will you get? You'll subtract 10a minus 7a, so then you get 3a, and then you'll be subtracting minus 2b minus 9b. So now you will have the same sign because it is minus minus, so then it will be changed to you'll be adding it, so then you got 11b, and there is minus symbol in both. So as we have learned, we would have learned it in teachers how to subtract it. So it is minus minus, so then your answer will also come in minus. It is minus 11b, and it is plus 6c plus 1c. So then you write 6 plus 1, 7, and you put this plus symbol. So this is your answer. Now let's go to another sum. To subtract x square plus y square plus 3xy from 4x square plus 2xy minus 3y square. How will you subtract it? You will write you will arrange them first, one below each other, the like terms, and now you will change the sign of the subtrahend row, and now we are going to subtract it, which will give us the answer as 4x square minus 1x square, which will give us 3x square, and plus 2xy minus 3xy, which will give us minus xy, and 3y square minus 3y square minus y square, which will give us minus 4y square. So this was subtraction of algebraic expression. Now let's take a more example. 2x square yz minus 7xy square z plus 13xyz square minus 6 from 4xyz square plus xyz minus 6x square yz plus 6xy square z. So as now we have to arrange them one below each other. So then how did we write it? We wrote it as 4xyz square plus xyz minus 6x square yz plus 9xy square z plus 0. Why did we add 0? Because there are no like terms matching with the constant number, which is minus 6. So, and in the second row, plus 13xyz square plus 0. And again, why did we write 0? Because there are no like terms matching with xyz. So plus 0 plus 2x square yz minus 7xy square z plus minus 6. So now we have to change the sign of the subtrahend row, which will become plus 13xyz square will change to minus 13xyz square, plus 0 will change to minus 0, plus 13x square yz will change to minus 2x square yz, and minus 7xy square z will change to plus 7xy square z, and minus 6 will be changed to plus 6. And now we'll perform subtraction, which will give us the answer as minus 9xyz square plus xyz minus 8x square yz plus 16xy square z plus 6. So this was the subtraction of algebraic expression. And hope you all like this video. So now please do click on this red button so that you subscribe to my channel. If you have subscribed, thanks for your subscribe. Do like this video. Please comment your feedback about this video and any doubts if you have according to this video. And do share this with the people who are in need of this video. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you are notified once a new video is uploaded. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and we will be coming back with a new video again, and it will be the algebraic expression part 3, which will give you about the multiplication of algebraic expression. So don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed still, and become a family of study scoopers. So thanks a lot, and bye bye.